guys, welcome back to Kids Cookery Food, and today we're going to be making soaked whole grain pancakes. We are going to add 6 cups flour because we are doubling this recipe.
Look, she's letting it fall like snow. No holes, no hills. After we add our flour in, we'll add our water. And since Leah's dairy-free, we'll be using no milk. So the original recipe calls for 1 cup water and 1 cup milk. We'll just be using 4 cups water since we're doubling the recipe and replacing the milk with water. We'll add a ½ cup of apple cider vinegar. Original recipe calls for 1/4 cup. Level with liquid.
Should I say that we're going to add ½ cup coconut oil. We are going to put a lid over this and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours before we add a little more ingredients in the morning and flip them on a griddle.
Good morning. So I got my little boys, my early risers. Gabe is 5 and Jen is 8. And we are going to finish the pancake batter that the kids made last night. Now remember, these pancakes, we happen to make them with what's called whole wheat pastry flour just because it's fluffier. But they can be made with any flour, whole wheat, white, gluten-free, whatever. And they've been soaking overnight, and that helps digestibility. They separated, so there's a bunch of liquid on the top and like kind of flour on the bottom. So John, use your left hand on the bowl, right hand on the whisk, and just kind of gently try to scooch that in. Okay. Now, Gabe, can you find the daddy? And those, we call these daddy, mommy, kid, baby, to help little ones who don't know their fractions. There's the daddy. And then we need 2 daddies baking powder. Leah and Paul, last night, you guys put apple cider vinegar in this.
I can smell it already.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
So do a big scoop, make a hill, and then you can use the flat edge in the baking powder container to scrape. This is kind of important. This is a little hard for little kids, so I'm doing a guide motion on the hand because it's got to be sprinkled so that we can mix it in thoroughly, or else we'll have a big clump of baking powder, which does not taste good. 2 daddies.
It's bubbling.
Is it getting bubbly?
Yes.
Do you know why?
The baking powder?
So remember the vinegary smell? Have you ever seen the volcano experiment with vinegar and baking soda?
Oh, yes.
There's baking soda in baking powder. And we're also going to add baking soda.
It's going to get it real.
It's going to get it nice and bubbly. And that is why these are the fluffiest, best pancakes ever. Now I move the baking powder from right to left, just like we're reading. It looks like left to right too. Now Gabe, find the mommy. Don't touch the business end. Scoop away down in the baking soda. It's different than baking powder, but they have a similar purpose. They make the rise. Yeah, do the sprinkle. So I can see a couple of clumps. John, it's not your fault, but try to really poke at those, like where you see white. We need 2 mommy's baking soda, Gabe. I'm going to see if you can do this hands off now that we've done the guide. Ah, perfection. I'm going to do the big sprinkle back and forth. Tip it just a little because nothing's coming out of it. You're being so careful. That's good though. Better to take a little extra time than to accidentally dump a clump. Now, move the baking soda across. That way if we're interrupted, we know what's in there. We still need the mommy. Just touch the handles, please. Still need the mommy. Find the mommy. Yep. 2 mommies of salt. The sprinkle, sprinkle, same thing. Look at all those bubbles. Let me get a close-up. Isn't that cool? Okay, show me your shake it. Get out of his way, John. Gabe, you're a pro. You got the shake it down. Good job. Where should we put the salt? Way over. Yep, I'll help you. All right, so Johnny, you're our egg cracker. We need 8 eggs. I'll tell you what, let's teamwork on this. So I'll show how I'm going to guide Gabe on a couple. We counted out exactly 8 in our container, so we can't mess up. So you go ahead and crack yours. Ready, Gabe? Put your hand on top of mine. For the bullseye.
There we go.
Put your fingers on my fingernails. Now you go on the bottom. You got it? You're in charge here. Ready? This one is probably good. that. Is this your first egg cracking by yourself?
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting. Now, I probably could have done a little bowl for Gabe, just in case we get a shell. There might have been one little teeny shell gone in there, but you know what? We buy healthy eggs, we'll be okay. If anybody gets the crunch, that's the hidden treasure, you win. Oh, it kind of popped on us. See if I can fix that. So now you kind of are going fishing. You're gonna fish for those egg yolks because we gotta push each one. It's been so long since I've made this, and sometimes we use like a machine, but yeah, you're doing a great job, I can tell. And then do like a little hula hoop stir with a whisk. Hook that thumb, so we don't want this bowl going anywhere. A little hula hoop stir. Watch, flip your hand over on top, like this. Go. Think hula hoop, little tiny. Oh, there's a yolk. Crush it. Get it. Yes. We should have put the eggs in a separate bowl, mixed them up, and then stirred them in. But I think you will figure out the uniform mixture. But you gotta go fishing for all the yolks.
So part 3 is making these pancakes, and we're going to cook them. So you're going to grease your pan, whatever we're using a griddle. We have our stove on medium heat. We're going to have a ladle, and we're going to be ladling the pancakes whatever size you want. And they'll be on this side for about 1 minute, and then we'll flip it, and then we'll put it on a plate. See how they're bubbling?
That's good.
That means they're bubbling, they're cooking. We're looking for on this back one for this brown around the edge. Well, you can't even see it. This brown around the edge. Now it's nice and brown. These are like one of my favorite pancakes. They're so delicious. Put them on the plate. Yummy. We like eating this with butter and then syrup. However you like to enjoy your pancakes.
Blueberries, frozen fruit.
Go try it yourself.